In this lesson, we'll explore ways to further validate inputted data. We'll start with the preg-match function. We've added a new else-if statement to our previous document, as shown here. We can use the preg-match function to test whether a string meets a specified pattern. In our case, we'll test to make sure that the name only contains letters in whitespace. This will prevent someone from typing in numbers in the first name. We've also added another else-if statement using the preg-match function again. This time, it checks to make sure the inputted website is in the correct format. For example, www.mywebsite.com would be an acceptable format. So let's test our script out to see the result. We'll start by typing numbers in the first name. So we can see that the error now outputs name can only contain letters. Now we'll type the wrong website format. So we can see the error, website is in the wrong format. And when the name contains only letters and the website is in the correct format, we can see that the submission works and the data is outputted.